everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the Queen from the 24th to the 28th of January 2022 on Monday. It appears that goodness is at the end of the road and Herod finally agrees to let her say his goodbye, or to let her son say his goodbye. Broody Vuyiswa has a hector in a corner on Tuesday. Herod refuses to reach out to Kagiso. Noma tries to convince Herod to contact Kagiso. Vuyiswa takes extra measures to make sure her and Hector conceive on Wednesday. Noma and Petronella receive a call from the hospital. Their heart sinks, expecting the worst. Herod sees Olerato straight. Vuyiswa overhears something she shouldn't have on Thursday. Just when she's ready to throw in the towel, Vuyiswa sees some light at the end of the dark tunnel. Goodness vows to fight for Mvelo, and Noma puts her foot down on Friday. Vuyiswa has a decision to make. Olerato reaches out, but Goodness' reaction to her shocks her. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.